This pan is so impressive, and it's impressive for a few very key reasons. First off, it is exceptionally light. It has all of the high quality features of the Cuisinart pots without being too heavy. On each side, you can choose your strainer level, so you can use this to strain out anything you're cooking, and it will handle it beautifully from your veggies to your pastas, whatever you want. And then when you tip it over, it actually has a spout for easy pouring. You are not going to make a mess pouring out of this pot. It does a beautiful job being a perfect pour saucepan. And like I said, while I'm holding this, I cannot get over how light this pan is. It cooks beautifully. It's all welded wonderfully. The handle is so hooked on there and just feels lovely, and it will last forever because it is Cuisinart, because it is very, very well made. It has an extremely even base and a gorgeous handle. This has been my mom's go-to pot for over a decade. It still looks like new, and if she had only known that it came in more sizes, she would have gone for all the sizes. So when I told her that this pot came in more sizes on Amazon, she was ecstatic and is already looking at adding to her collection. Cuisinart is an incredible brand, but this pot series in particular knocks it out of the park. Highly recommend.